Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set up email forwarding in Gmail. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Gmail account and then you see setting icon. So click on it and then you see all settings. So again click on it. Now loading. Now general setting open and then you see forwarding. So click on it and then you see forwarding. Add or forwarding address, so click on it. Now pop-up open, so you can add email address according to your requirement. Now add and then click on next, so you can verify your email address and then you see forwarding mail to this email address, so click on proceed. Now you see pop-up add or forwarding address or confirmation link has been sent to this email address to verify permission, so okay. Now go to another email address. Now you see we receive email Gmail forwarding confirmation receive mail from, so click on it. So this is our message Gmail forwarding confirmation receive mail and then you see this email has requested to auto forward mail to your this email address to allow, so click on this link, so click on it. Now you see confirmation please confirm forwarding mail of this email address to this, so click on confirm. Now you see confirmation success. Now go to Gmail again. Now refresh the page and then you see forwarding, disable forwarding and forward a copy of incoming mail to this address in use and then you see another drop down keep Gmail copy in the inbox. You see multiple options, so you can select according to your requirement and then scroll down, click on save changes. So when you receive new email, then copy of email send to another Gmail or email address. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.